I used to literally pull my hair out trying to figure out why I was getting traffic to my website, but I wasn't making any sales. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 4 things that you can do in order to increase your sales conversions and not pull all your hair out, and we're starting right now. Hey guys, this is John, and I know that this particular topic is a sore subject for a lot of people because they invest their time and they invest their money into getting traffic to their website, but for some reason the sales aren't coming in. So we're gonna be going deep into this subject matter today and kind of debunk the 4 things that you can do to actually start generating sales when you're sending that traffic. But for those that are new to my channel, my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and on this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you at all, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and click that little bell icon so that you're notified whenever I release a new video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the 4 things that you can do to actually increase your sales. Number 1 is following up. You know, you guys have probably heard the term, the fortune is in the follow-up, and it's really true. And there's a statistic out there that says that somebody has to see your offer 5 to 7 times before they would actually consider pulling out their credit card and making a purchase. So what I see a lot of people that are new that start out in affiliate marketing, what they'll typically do is they'll build their list, they'll send traffic to their squeeze page, they start to accumulate emails, but they don't follow up, right? And I think there's a number of reasons why. So I think the first reason why is some people just don't know what to say. Like they don't have, I don't know, maybe a creative mindset to craft creative emails, compelling emails to get people to, you know, click, or they just have no idea what to say or what to promote. Or they could just be thinking that, you know, I don't want to burn out my list and I don't want to send them too many emails, so they're going to get pissed off at me and they're going to unsubscribe. Well, I'll tell you this, you know, number 1, you don't have to worry about being so creative. All you have to do is just model what's already out there. I'll actually leave a link in the description for, you know, thousands of emails that you guys can just purchase, and then you can kind of craft and model those emails for yourself. But number 2, if you don't send follow-up emails to your subscribers, you best believe that somebody else is going to be in their inbox selling them something. So you can't be bashful, you can't be shy about following up. They signed up to your email list for a reason, and you need to continue to follow up with them until they either unsubscribe or they become a raving fan of yours. Number 2, providing enough value, right? So the reason why you see a lot of people here on YouTube creating content, doing how-tos and tutorials is because the value that you give will soon equate to dollars in your pocket, right? And you don't necessarily have to be creating videos, but you could be creating value in the written form. You can be creating a blog post that shows people how to get to some sort of desired result. You could be creating an app, some checklist. You could be going and finding high quality private label rights products that you can give to your list that will actually help them get to that desired result. I'll actually leave a couple links in the description to some high quality PLR that you can get your hands on. But the point I'm trying to make is that you want to be always giving value, because those that give, you will receive. Number 3, buying high quality and targeted traffic, guys. Now this could be a whole different video series in itself, but you know what I want to get across to you guys is what you want to do is you want to find the people that are in your niche, whether they're on forums, whether they're on blogs or YouTube or Google. You got to find those people, and you have to be super targeted in your marketing, and you have to get those people off the forums and the blogs and YouTube, and you need to get them onto your website, right? So you can build your list, start building rapport, start building trust, start giving them value, so that you can increase your probability of making sales. You know, so you got to be super targeted. You got to be targeting the right people that are actually looking for your products and services, and then get them onto your website so that you can start following up, so you can start building a relationship through the content, so you can start giving value, and that's going to turn into sales. Number 4, make sure you're selling a high converting offer, guys, right? So everybody thinks that their product is the best thing since sliced bread, right? But the truth of the matter is, most sales pages convert somewhere between 2 and 4%. And that is like a good sales page. So it doesn't really matter how good the product is that you're selling. If the sales page isn't converting properly, then you're not gonna have, good results. So, make sure that the product that you're selling has some history, right? So if you want to pick a product, you want to pick a product that has history of sales, that has history of low refunds, that has a good product owner, that has a history of good products that he's launched or she's launched in the past. These are specific things that you can look for when targeting a product. Like what's the refund rate? How many sales has it generated? Who's the product owner? All these things are good to know when you're actually selecting a product that you're going to promote or a program that you're going to promote, so that you know that, okay, this is going to be a high quality product. So if I send some targeted traffic to this high quality product, the probability of me of making sales is going to be high. Right, so this is all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the 4 things that you can do to increase your sales. Again, follow up with your prospects, buy high quality traffic, provide value and content, and make sure you're selling those high converting products, guys. So I go more in depth into, how to make this all happen in my guide. You can get it probably on this side. Or that side, I'm not sure, but you can go check out my guide. It teaches you how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z at johnmcneil.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video if you did, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.